¿verdad? This is el wizard. Okay, this is the wizard. ¿Escucha el sonido? This is the wizard of the software. So we're creating a new project, and the project name will be BlackBerry. So here I put a description of the project, and you can filter by language. If you want to monitor anything on any other language that you want, you can filter out here, or you can just select all languages. The next step to create a project is to set up your keywords. For example, here we're going to monitor BlackBerry. You can select what type of keyword do you want, if it's a required, relevant, or excluded. So here's a required keyword. You can add more keywords or delete the keywords. Then this is me. You can here select new users or add existing users and add your Facebook accounts. For example, here I'm going to add this Facebook and the Twitter account. And that's it. So I just created a new project. If you see, this is the project we're monitoring BlackBerry, and you can edit the project, you can delete the project, or you can go ahead and go to the lean monitoring part of the software. So see, this is the main screen. As you can see on the main screen, this is where you're gonna start seeing real time what's going on around your brand. This is the top bar where you see the menu. This is the description of your project. This is a box to write something on your social networks. For example, here we can write at this Twitter account or this Facebook account. And let's go ahead and write something. Howdy.
But you write it where to the account you published.
To the public account. So you publish that, and that's it.
So you write it just because you want, as a brand, just to mention something. You're not monitoring, that's just posting something on your Facebook.
Yeah, that's right. This is the filter part. As you can see on the bottom part, this is the real time what's going on related to Facebook. Here you can see people talking on Google Boost about Facebook. You can see
about BlackBerry.
BlackBerry. I'm so sorry.
So that's real time.
That's real time. And here is the way to filter out. For example, I don't want to see anything but Twitter and Facebook. So I'm gonna remove YouTube. And Google Boost. This is the timeline. In this timeline, you're seeing what's going on related to your brand. You're seeing the mentions and the importance of the mentions over time. So obviously, if you're staring at this screen, you need to see the ones with the higher,
because this is sentiment.
Yes,
they are every mention. Every mention we put a sentiment on it. So it's based from 0 to 1, and it's either negative or positive. So the idea is you go and see the peaks, and you choose them, and because that's a really negative thing or a really positive thing, and you just want to see what they're telling about it, right?
That's right. So, as you can see, for example, this one that it's green and really big. It's a really important mention about BlackBerry by these people. We calculate the importance and the sentiment of the mentions related to the universe, meaning that maybe some mention for your brand is really important in your particular universe. And this is the mention we're talking about. You can see if it's positive or negative. These ones, the ones on the bottom, the red ones are negative, and you see the importance of the mention. And you can also send us feedback about the mention. So for example, this is positive, and I say it's negative, and it's more important.
Because maybe the algorithm didn't work.
So we received that. So for example, if this is a user asking about the Android applications in the BlackBerry playbook. So if we find that interesting, we can reply directly from the live feed to the user. And you can reply from here, and you can flag the user too. For example, I think this is an important user, so I flag it. And this is the footer where you see the home, project, settings, and home, right?
And you see all the comments flagged in blue?
Yes, you see all the comments from that specific author in a different color. And
the idea to reply is to engage with customers.
And the idea to reply,
because it's not only about monitoring. Because this is like many tools from the competition, they just monitor. and we can reply from here without, because in the others you have to go out of the tool, you have to log in with your different passwords, different accounts, and here you can have multiple accounts at the same time. And the idea is like you can reply as a corporation, as support, as sales representative.
Anything you want. Okay? So, ponle pausa para ver los screenshots.